Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be changing up my Levi Retro 6's just to give them a little more color and character. This custom is going to be a lot of fun because there's no right or wrong way to do it. As always, I'm going to start by removing the laces. Next, I'll use a copper brush to firmly brush the denim. The purpose of this is to give the denim a distressed look. I'm going in with some 400 grit sandpaper to create some fraying specifically for the edges that I'm pointing out here. I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to create bigger scuffs and scrapes. I'm using my lint shaver to trim down some pieces of denim that got a little too long while ripping them up. Now I'm going in with some straight bleach and a flat brush, and just brushing it on all the panels that I want bleached. Remember, bleach is really strong, so throw on a mask, open a window, or do this in a well-ventilated area. And here are the results after letting them dry outside for a day. Time to tape up the shoe to get ready for paint. I'm going to use my white paint from Angelus as a base before I lay down my color. After that dries, I'm ready to go in with orange. I don't worry too much about what kind of brush I use. I just make sure to apply the paint in light even coats until I get the color payoff that I want. Once the paint is dry, I go ahead and carefully remove the tape and paper towels. Remember, precise taping means less touch-ups. Now all that's left is to relace and we're done. There you have it. I hope I inspire you guys to be more creative with your own pair and come back to watch some more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you would like to see next. Until next time, peace.